Rich, flavorful, sour-free tomato stew. Hey guys, come let's do it together. I marinated the chicken with curry, thyme, seasoning cube, onion, chicken seasoning, bay leaf, ginger and garlic and salt. I left it for 3 hours in the fridge. Feel free to leave it for overnight if you have all the chances. Taking it out, so I added fresh pepper and onions. You can never be wrong with onions at any time. I added more onion, mix it to combine and set it to cook on fire. I equally seasoned the goat meat the same way because these are the two proteins I will be using. This tomato blend consists of tomato, cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic. Cook and allow the water to dry up 95%, but don't allow it to burn. As you know, every step matters in the cooking, so let's start off by building our stew flavor. I will be frying the two protein to release its flavors in the oil, then with that giving it a texture also. As the protein gets fried, so I scoop it out, then start my main cooking. Into the same oil, I add diced onions, allow it to fry for 1 minute so that it will release all its flavor into the oil. So after 1 minute of frying, so let's go in with tomato paste. Turn it around and allow it to fry for minimum of 7 to 8 minutes. Just look how the color is now and look how the color will change when it is well fried. When it is well fried, the color will change from that reddish to dark red. Then let's introduce our tomato blend which we cooked earlier. Toss it around and allow it to fry on a very low heat. A secret to good stew is good frying. Lower your gas and make sure that your tomato is fried from 28 to 30 minutes on a very low heat. Just look how the color has changed equally. The color have changed, which indicate that this tomato have fried very well. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. To my returning subscriber, I'm grateful. Thank you. When the tomato is well fried, I went in with all the proteins which I fried earlier, then add some of the spices which I used earlier to steam the meat, but not so much. Then toss in some seasoning cubes. Stir it around to combine and allow it to come together for another 2 minutes. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do so and pleading. That is the only support you can give to me. The subscription is free. Do well to subscribe to the channel. So after 2 minutes, I went in with the 2 stocks from the goat meat and the chicken. Stir it around to combine and allow it to cook on a medium heat for at least 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, let me show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Just wait till you're off the gas. The taste of this stew will wow you. Many people that partake on it, they can't stop talking about it. Please do well to subscribe and see you in my next. Bye.